vaccines to the people and government of Bhutan. Ever since the government announced its plan for the nationwide vaccination rollout program, the people of Bhutan have been eagerly waiting to receive the vaccines. Together with the earlier batch, we can now confidently launch the nationwide vaccination program, which is scheduled to start from the 27th of March. As a steadfast friend of Bhutan, India has stood firmly by Bhutan at all times. India's unwavering support to Bhutan's COVID-19 response efforts is a clear indication of its commitment and high importance accorded to Bhutan-India relations. Bhutan was also the first country to receive the Covishield vaccine under the Grant Assistance Program of Vaccine Maitri initiative in January this year. This generous gift is also a clear testimony to India's commitment to its neighborhood first policy. Guided by this policy and Prime Minister Modi's vision of Sabke Saath, Sabke Vikas, Sabke Vishwas, India has been playing a leadership role in the region and beyond, especially during this difficult time of the COVID-19 pandemic. I remember Prime Minister Modi quoting the ancient Tamil poet Kariyan Pungundranar at the UNGA in 2019 with the words, Yadu Mure Yavrum Kurer, meaning that we belong to all places and to everyone. This sense of belonging beyond borders is very unique to India, and it is being aptly demonstrated by India's compassionate and humane Vaccine Maitri initiative. It is for this reason that India continues to receive due recognition from the global community for its magnanimity and wholehearted support to those countries that need help the most. Bhutan has benefited immensely from India's support, not only in our fight against